but I will pull off the
Morning. You ever seen a fireplace finished but wondered what happened during the project? Well, take a look at this. We're going to remove this fireplace and we're going to build cabinets straight across here with a countertop slab on top. We are going to take this from as far as that hearth comes out straight up to the ceiling. Up here, we're gonna have to move that can light out. We're going to cover up this old fireplace with a piece of drywall just so that it doesn't have any airflow coming through that. Keeps it plugged up, but we'll leave it because it's all structural there. TV's going back in the same place. Stick around to the end and I will show you the final drawings on how this is going to shape up. So yeah, stick around. We will keep you in the loop on this. We'll go through all the different phases and we will show you the framing, the drywall, the cabinetry, and button it all back up. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.